Here with a look at Gala games. Boy, when you look at this, when you zoom out on a monthly, makes this little 50% move look like nothing, does it not? I mean, just to get back to the all-time high again, we're looking at a what 10 and a half x 10 and a half x. So from here, technically speaking, this obviously should get there. Past that, you're looking at least for, technically, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but normal circumstances, you'd be looking at for every grand you put in, getting 10,500 back out of this just to get to the all-time high. All right, now in a bull run, for a bull run target on this thing, let's take a look. All right, just a with a fib, okay, a bull run target for this, you're looking at $3.50. $3.50. All right, so I absolutely 100% believe that. No question in my mind about it. That was total FUD way back here when they talked about the owners suing each other, blah blah blah. It has nothing to do with Gala Games. Gala Games is a very stable company. But whatever they want to do, let them work it out. As far as the company goes, they're not going anywhere. All right. Gala Games is obviously as stable as it gets here. Now, we were talking last video about a price target right up at 11 cents here. All right, let's zoom back out here. There we go. That's where I want to be. Now, we're going to tear into this, look at that price, see if we're looking at the same target here and what is going on right here, right now. Okay, I had some people asking Discord. I thought 11 cents was a target. The people that asked were fairly new to crypto in their defense, okay? The market obviously moves up in waves, all right? You get a push up, you get a pullback. Get a push up, pullback. Push up, pullback. That's how it works. It's called Elliott waves, all right? That gets longs and shorts wiped out. If you have your stop losses too close, it's going to take you out. You got to have faith in what's going on, really. All right, and anything can happen. Of course, Bitcoin can take a big dump, and price-wise, and take everything out. But speaking, and you got to have faith in the movement. All right, we're going to measure this back out here in a second. Like I just mentioned, look at the volume coming in down here. If you go out in a weekly. Check out this as soon as it loads up here. Should have loaded a lot quicker than that. Let's see what's going on down here. Oh, that's why. Okay, there we go. There we are. Okay, I apologize about that. Now, down here on the weekly, as far as volume, look at this, 25 billion. The week before that, 21 billion. All right, so major volume coming in here. We haven't seen types of volume like this since January 2nd, and then if you go back to the last bull run. All right, so this type of volume obviously coming in is going to back these moves up, and this thing obviously on a weekly, this one we're talking about to 11 cents, this is a minor move compared to this measurement for the weekly here, and I'll show you that in just a second. All right, and speaking of Discord, if you guys are interested, we have a level 3 membership. We have 185 members now, okay? $14.99 gets you 9 hours of videos to teach you how to use the fib, to teach how to look for price targets for your tokens, for bull run targets. We're in a bull run, guys. Learn as much as you can for 15 bucks, 20 plus videos, and a link to our Discord. Quite honestly, I think the Discord is the biggest perk. The trades over there, we have some professional traders in there that are absolutely killing it. Okay, go watch it. Sign up. Go watch the videos. I put a video on there how to use MEXC, how to leverage trade, how to set up your trading view, all of that. Okay, watch the videos. Go over there and start following some of these trades. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But I can pretty much bet you'll make back your $15 real fast. I've had a new person over there that mentioned that their very first week, and this isn't typical. Nobody, they made $1,000 their first week over there in the group. So, we got a lot of great traders. For $15. Come join us, man. You won't regret it. All right, you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn how to draw trend lines, support lines, how to formations, bearish and bullish divergence, golden crosses, death crosses, everything. How to use moving averages. I got videos out there for everything for you. Okay, for $15. I'm a small YouTuber. I need to generate some income, so. If I have to get rid of it for 15, that's what I got to do. So, if you're interested, come join us. I would love to have you. Now, Bitcoin breaking out a new all-time high. This is crazy. This is March. $72,720 is the new all-time high. Took out 69 back over here. On the fib, the 1618 is up at 101,862. All right. In the meantime, I'm sure we are not going to get there without pullbacks. Okay, you can see this big long wave here. This could be a wave 5 if you come in on a daily. You can see starting to maybe lose a little bit of gas. I would draw, if you're charting this, guys, I would put a trend line on this thing right down here and chart it up here. If it loses this trend line, you're more likely getting a correction out of it. Got to come sooner or later. This thing, it can't. It does not head straight up. This has been way too easy so far. Okay, I'm still in shock. This is March. I really thought we had until fall before we would see a new all-time high. So either we're having an extended bull run, an early bull run, or or everything is the ETFs have just jacked it up, and Bitcoin has taken off, and we're going to still have a year of a bull run here, which would be absolutely crazy. Some of these prices could turn out to be astronomical. I mean, it's gonna get crazy. I truly believe Bitcoin's heading to 240,000, between 220 and 240. That's what the fib says. I have absolute faith in the Fibonacci retracement. If you learn one thing, if you get my course, learn how to use this. This thing is golden. You will make your money. You will make a pile of money using the Fibonacci. It's the number one tool out there. All right, so let's go back over here to the crypto bubbles. There's Gala. Minus 8.8% right now, having a wave 4 pullback. Look at these numbers. This is just crazy. Let's look at the month. Look at that. Look at Pepe, 7x. 7x. Look at FAT, 3.5x. Yeah, these are crazy numbers for right now. I'm in total shock. Look at Gala. Gala's done a 2x in the last month. Absolutely crazy. For the year, there's kaspa. Love kaspa. Huge kaspa fan right here. Look at Injective. Look at Bonk, a 67x. 67x. So for every 1,000 you threw in that obvious easy math, you've made 67 grand back. Render a 10 per. It's done a 10x. Unbelievable numbers out there. I love seeing this. This is fantastic. It's good for everybody. This is this could be a once in a lifetime opportunity, guys. Could be the last bull run before we have serious regulations come into market, and Make as much money as you can this time. Seriously, learn all you can. If you don't get my course, go somewhere and get it from somebody. But don't mess this up. Do not mess this up. This could be your chance. This is your opportunity to change your life. It really is, and crypto can do that for you. Over here on CoinGlass, the open interest, 72.6 billion. Getting high. It's gonna need a flush pretty soon. All right. The volume for the crypto market's up 65% today at 259.7 billion. 24-hour liquidations, $355.9 million. That's up 86% from yesterday. Probably a lot of people went short out there, got wiped out. In the market now, you have 51.02% long and 48.98% short. And if you come down through here, this is the volume of the last 24 hours for each crypto. XRP, 356%. Any big ones that stick out here? Yeah, not really. Heat map, liquidations. Bitcoin, 42 million in liquidations the last 24 hours. Nothing serious there. But look at Grayscale. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust now has a market cap of 29 billion. The next one there is iBit with 13.9. So unbelievable. These things are really building up. For $64.80, you can get your piece of Bitcoin there. I like this. I like that. I like how this is set up. I love it. I think it's pretty awesome how things are going with it. Looks like it's working out very, very well. Obviously for the price of Bitcoin too. Now over here on Gala. All right. Number one, this move here. This is a 1-2. This is a third wave we're working on here. Okay. Now if we zoom in here on a hourly, all right, we have this move here we're working on right now. Okay, let's measure this out, get the trend based fib out. All right up there, right up to 11 cents here, right around this area. Okay, is this first move, all right, which is going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and then after that you're expecting an ABC correction. Now, how deep could this fourth wave pull back? Well, usually around a 618 you're looking at. If you take a fib and put it on here, I'd be watching for this thing to bounce maybe 0.067, right around that area, to 0.064. Right in this box. We're going to put a box on here for the next video so we see how that works out. Let's get where's it at? Here it is, right here. And then the next video we will see how we did with this. Okay, I'm expecting it to pull down here and then get that fifth wave up here. All right, your third wave should be your longest wave in your pattern. It cannot be your shortest wave. That's roll number one. All right, wave one starts right here. This is where wave one starts. 1, 2. Your third wave, fourth, and then your fifth. All right, but I'm expecting a pullback to that area. Now, if we zoom out here and take a look on a 12-hour, now a little bit deeper than that. Let's go on a weekly. All right, you can see here another set of Elliott waves forming right here, a 1, 2. All right, now if we put a trend based fib on that, that is giving us right up pretty close to about the same target, actually about 12. All right, so between 11 and 12 is what we're looking at here for this first move up here. Okay, right around that area is what we're looking for. So keep your eye out for 11 to 12 cents, then an ABC, and then we'll move our way back up. Now, as far as the weekly RSI goes, the weekly is getting towards the top. The daily still moving up there. You get this wave 4 has given it a little bit of a notch, but it still has another push up. The 12 hour is rolling over a little bit. That's for this wave 4 pullback. You're going to have that 12 rolling over. The 8 hour is still pulling down. Remember, we're pulling down for wave 4. The 4 hour is getting near the bottom. And your 1 hour is riding the bottom. Okay, you got your 1 hour RSI right at the bottom there. But expect a little bit more of a pull down here, and then that push up to 11 to 12 cents at a Gala Games. All right, nothing has changed since the last video. Thank you so very, very much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. We'd love to have you. We got a great group of people over there, and it's no joke, man. There's people over there making a killing. Like I said, most of us are in a kaspa long right now. Kaspa broke out, retested, and a lot of us jumped in that. So, all right, have a great day, everybody. I will talk to you very soon. Please hit the like and subscribe.